Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a very important chapter, that is profit and loss. Okay, so let's see the question on profit and loss chapter. The difference of cost price and selling price of article is 240 rupees. Okay, if the profit is 20%, the selling price of the article is. Okay, so here you know that difference of cost price and selling price of article is 240 rupees, right? If the profit is 20%, the selling price is. So it is told to you that if the profit is 20%, okay. So you simply know that what is profit? Profit is selling price minus cost price, okay. And it is given to you that the difference between selling price and cost price is 240 rupees is the profit, right? So 240 is how much? 20%, right? What will be the 10%? 10% will be 120 rupees. So they asked you the selling price. So this is your profit. You are getting 10% as 1200. So how much you it is told to you? Then 100% means how much amount? 1200. So this will be your actual amount or the selling price. Okay, simple. Trader mark his good at 50% above the cost price but allow a discount of 20% of mark price. Find the profit percentage. Okay, trader mark his good at 50% above the cost price. So 100 is the cost price, suppose. 50% above means 150%, right? But allow a discount of 20%. So what is 150%, 20% discount? 20% discount means he is selling it at 80% of that price. Okay, so if you do this, so 150 into 80, right? So at what price he is selling it? Discount means simply loss, right? So he is selling it at 120 rupees. So find the profit percentage. So cost price is 100 and how much he is gaining now? 120 after giving 20% discount, right? So how much he is gaining? 20 rupees he is gaining, and how much he is gaining? 100 rupees. So the profit percentage will be 20%. Simple. If a discount of 10% is given on mark price of an article, the gain is 20%. If the discount is increased to 20%, find the profit percentage. So suppose 100 is the cost price. If a discount of 10% is given on the mark price of article, the gain is 20%. Means he give 10% discount means 90 rupees, right? On the mark price of an article, but still he is gaining how much? He is gaining 20%. Means he is gaining 20% on this. So what that mean? That actually the cost price of that article is little. He is gaining 20%. What that means? CP into 120 upon 100. So this actually is 90 rupees he is getting, right? What this is, they told you. If a discount of 10% is given on a marked price of an article, so it comes out to be 90. But the gain is still 20%. So gain means CP into 20% gain, and what price is now? 90. So what is the actual this cost price of the article is 75, right? And marked price is 90. If the discount is increased to 20%, find the profit percentage. Okay, so 100 is the price, right? And in this, now he is giving 20% discount. So now 80 rupees he is giving, 80 rupees he is giving, right? 80 rupees he is selling that product. So what is the profit percentage? So 75 he is actually, the price is, cost price is 75, right? 75. And how much he is gaining? 80 rupees he is gaining. So how much he is gaining? 5 rupees he is gaining. And how much he invested from his pocket? 75. Then you can easily find out 5 by 75. This comes out to be 6.67%. Okay, so this how you need to calculate. You just try to recall what I told you. 100 for instant, take any amount like 100. 10% discount is a marked price, means he uh, took a price 100 and he gave it as a 10% discount, means 90 rupees, or 10% discount after giving, the mark price will be 90, but still he is gaining 20%. So 90, even after giving discount of 10%, he is gaining 20%. So actually the cost price was what, 75 rupees. And if discount is increased to 20%, means this, from this to 20%, now he is giving discount, so 80 rupees he is giving now this product. So what is the profit percentage? The actual price is how much, 75, and how much he is selling now after 20% discount? At 80 rupees he is selling, 5 rupees he is gaining, and how much he invested, 75 he invested. Okay. So let's see this question, that a businessman purchased an article and marked its price at 30% more after allowing 10% discount. He earned rupees 1700 as profit. What is the cost price of the article? Okay. So basically, first try to solve this question by your own, then see the solution. Suppose 100 is the price of that article. Okay. And this person marked this price 30% more. So for 30, he is selling it. But after allowing 10% discount, so what is 10% of 130? Means 13 rupees. So 13 rupees less, means at 117 is selling this. He earned rupees 1700 as profit. What is the cost price of the article? Okay. So here you can see this is your cost price, right? This is your selling price, right? And this is your cost price. Means actually he is investing how much, 100 rupees he is investing, and how much he is getting, 117 he is getting. Mark price is something that is kept as a reference, right? In previous question we also seen that mark price is something that we keep as a reference. So he is investing 100 rupees and how much he is selling it at, 117. So how much he is earning, 17 rupees he is earning, right? To earn 17 rupees, and this is simply profit, right? 17 rupees is the profit, right? 100 rupees he is investing and 117 he is gaining. So 17 rupees he is earning. To make this 17 as 1700, you have to multiply it by 100. Similarly, you have to multiply this by 100, cost price and selling price also by 100. So you will get the cost price of the article. What it comes out to be? It comes out to be 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees is the cost price of the article. Look, just try to follow whatever the steps I am saying. Things become very simple. Now you see that how simple this question was. Otherwise, you make things very difficult by solving it in different manner. Okay. You now see this question. If the profit earned by selling an article for rupees 832 is equal to the lost when the same article is sold for rupees 448, what should be the selling price of for 50% profit? Now there is two question that is asked in the same this question, and this type of question will come to your examination. Okay. So you know this, that after 832 is the profit, right? Minus x means if you minus the amount, or uh, the cost amount, right? So you will get the profit. And similarly 440, if you minus cost minus 448, you will get the exact price at which he was getting the cost price. You will get simply, right? So profit is what? Profit is basically selling price minus cost price. What is your uh, loss? Loss is cost price minus selling price. So here he is losing, right? He is losing, and this is x is cost price, and 448 is your selling price when he is getting loss, and this is your profit when 832 is getting minus. This is selling price, and this is cost price that you need to find. So 2x equal to, you have to add simply this 2 to 832 plus 448. It comes out to be 1280, and x, you will get the value 640. So 640 is the cost of the article, right? And if you have to make 50% profit, you have to multiply. 50% profit means what? 100 he always have, 50 he need to add extra. So 150 by 100. When you do this, you will get to know the answer. Okay, 960 is the price. 960 rupees. If we sell this article, he will get 50% profit. Thank you.